Lesson 9, the MCQ techniques. All of the competitive exams are basically based on the MCQs. Most of them are based on the MCQs. So many of my students have reported that they face difficulty in solving and memorizing MCQs. So there are some points that I want to mention here. Uh, if using practice MCQs resources, try not to read MCQs without mindfulness. So just don't just opening the book and start reading the MCQs. This is a wrong way. You must be reading the MCQs with mindfulness, with full focus and concentration. Because wrong choice may be stored as a memory. Because when you are reading, you may memorize the wrong choice, wrong answer, because you are just trying to read the material and memorize it. So the option A can be wrong, and you have just read the question and now reading the option A, so it can become a memory too. So avoid this mistake. For example, while your mind is reading a question and there develops a quench to read the answer, and you see the options below A, B, C, D, E, and when you see A, mind may readily store this option as an answer to the question. But it may be wrong choice, and you may now face difficulty memorizing the right choice, which is in this case maybe D. First impression is the last impression. So this could be your first and the wrong impression. It is advised to read the questions with right answers already pointed out or ticked, or try to generate answer to the question without looking at the options. So you can imagine or try to generate the answer in your mind without reading the options below first. And if you are sure that this is the answer, then you can look at the options. So your the answer in your mind and the answer on the options will match and will become a good memory, unless the answer is right. If the answer in your mind is wrong, it can become a wrong memory. So be careful about this. Not enough time to mess with the mind. Focus on the right answer that matters. If you cannot mess with this MCQs, just tick the right answers and read the question and read the right answer. Solving technique: rule out the wrong ones, shortlist the best possible answer, and leave until end. You may find a guess in later questions. So if you are solving an MCQ and you have the option to move forward and come back later on, so just what you have to do, rule number 1 is to rule out the wrong ones. Take out the wrong answers first and shortlist the best possible answer. And if you are still not sure, leave until the end. You may find a guess in later options or later questions, and it happens many times. So don't hurriedly click or tick the wrong answers. So I hope this MCQ technique will also help you to study effectively.